Mr. Seyi Makinde, if that child were to be your, one of those children are to be yours, will you be there? Will you be at Ojúde Ọba? Ṣé máa gójú láyè láti lọ showcase culture yín? Popsi, ẹ ṣe èrè sà, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ ṣunú sà. Seyi Tinubu, ká lọ́mọ bíbí inú ẹ̀ náà gbé. Will you people have Oju to go there? Even if your child is sick at home, you will have party. You will live, you will be looking at that cloth as if you should burn the clothes to ashes. Not to talk of children being abducted. And you saw how they beheaded one of them. So, when I saw that video, I couldn't bring myself to do the show because, you know, it was just to appease the government. And most especially our First Lady. And you could see that I was particularly on our First Lady yesterday. And believe me, I believe Remi Tinubu is not a mother. I am sorry to say. I am bold enough, unless, like I said yesterday, that Remi is not in that country, or Remi is physically sick or mentally sick to talk. Because if sincerely she's alive and she's breathing and she's healthy, like some of us mothers, I'm sure she will have lent her voice out for those children. Just like so many of us. Please help us to power tap. So it took me time to come out because I saw the video of those children, okay, where they have been, there is this maltreatment going on. Why would you do life with me? I don't want to do life with you. In the program power tap. So, like I said, okay, I saw the video. Maybe some of you saw the video. It's not something I can show online. We saw where these children, they were using melted plastic, beating those children and scalding them with that melted plastic. Okay? One mú plastic tó ti lò, wọ́n jó níná for ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá gbọ́ tí mo mean. Wọ́n jó plastic níná, wọ́n dẹ̀ fi ra ara àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó jí gbé. These are children, young children, as young as 18 years, you know, that were abducted in the school with their teachers. And we saw the beheading of their teacher in front of those children. Now, so it took me time yesterday to come and talk. I became emotional yesterday because, and I'm very sure most of you there walking in here, you will have cried your heart out as mothers. And that was why I said, no, maybe Mommy Tinubu is not mommying enough. And, you know, I went to her page. I could see a verified Facebook page where she posted Children's Day message, and I read it out yesterday, where she was employing all the children to be good children of the citizen, you know, to be good children, to do this, to do that, what is expected of them in the society as children. And so we analyzed it yesterday, like, what are you expecting from abducted children, or children we are malnourished children that have no school, no basic amenities that they can call their own, or the children that the schools that you have made like a public school for them, it's nothing to write home about. It's not a school that you and I can take my children to. If you, Remi Tinubu, can register your children, your grandchildren in those so-called school, public school you have made for these children, I will applaud you. We live abroad here. Believe me, those in politics, those in high places abroad, their children attend the same children as ours. except maybe the children of the royal family, and this is because they will ensure that they are safe and all that. But most people, the rich and the poor, we all go to the same, our children attend the same school, because they have put in place every necessary thing, the basic thing these children need in most of the schools. It's a normal school for everybody. It is some of us that if we have money, we want to show something. Okay, I want my children to go to private school. It is not common abroad. Private school has been made common in Nigeria, it's now the norm for every child. Even Mama Lata that is selling ordinary guguru will send our children, will ensure that our children goes to a private school of Simi, that it is most of the schools, it is just one building, or even a bungalow somebody will go and rent and make it a private school. Because the public school, it is nowhere to even. We went to public school. I went to Isaleko school, only Trinity Primary School. I went to Satellite Town Secondary School. I went to Ekwakete Secondary School in Isaleko before going to Satellite Town Secondary School. So I really studied, under the condition of what you call public school. Public school was not like this. We had chairs to sit on. In Holy Trinity Primary School in Saleko, we were having our lunch paid by the government. The lunch that we were eating was being provided by the local government. If you were part of that kind of era, say hi, hola. That's my professional name. Say hi, Ajoke. Yes. I want lọ sí Holy Trinity Primary School. Wọ́n máa fún wa lóúnjẹ ọ̀sán. Ìyá tó máa sóúnjẹ wá máa wá eléso wà. Fruits. Because they know that it is normal balanced diet you will eat. We ate it. I enjoyed it. In fact, I enjoyed having books provided for us. Exercise books provided for us. What happens to our education in Nigeria? What happens to our education in Nigeria? Come on! You have destroyed it totally because of the elites. Most of you, you want to, so many of you, you have your private school. You have destroyed the public school that you are talking about. The teachers are underpaid. No Nigerian teacher can bold of anything. Some of them, you will see them, a party body, no mama getting in the classroom. Yes. Please help me to power tap. You are not power tapping, please. And engage this life. If you're true Nigerian, if you know you have enjoyed Nigeria one day when you were growing up, please let me see it on this life. Let me see you being active on my life, please. Because we need to talk to them. We need to speak to their brains. I think our president's brain, I guess his brain is not too good again, sir. Sorry, daddy, I'm not somebody that is mobile bajeto. But Popsy, you need help with your brain. And your wife, I still stand to believe that Mrs. Oluremi Tinubu is not in Aso Rock. I want to believe mommy is not in Aso Rock. Or she's sick. I went to a public school. I enjoyed. Mo gbádùn public school. Be nothing ni. But most of you politicians, our corrupt leaders, you have destroyed what is called public school. Public school is only meant for people that cannot afford like 20,000 school fees. Some of these private schools that you call private schools now, you can even have one for 15,000 naira per term. That goes to show you people do not even mind. They will struggle. Iyalata will struggle to take a child to that private school. Okada man will prefer to take his child to that 10,000 naira per term private school. I don't know how much is it. I'm just telling you how bad it is. What you call private school. What we have as private school, we have the ones for the elites. We have the ones for the vulnerable, very poor citizens of Nigeria. Yes. There is nothing like public school. Public school is an animal hut in Nigeria now. That is what is called public schools. Most of your public schools that are being showcased that we see online are places that you cannot even put your animals to look after them. Abroad here, you will see people traveling. They will take their animals to nurseries, to where the animals will be looked after. But we do not value life back home. Our government are still treating us like animals. So unfortunate. Please help me to power tap. Very, very unfortunate. We will continue to call you people out. You have failed us as citizens. You have failed us as leaders. Look at Maritos Nilelembi. We saw people that were being deported. People that they got their visas to go to Maritos for holiday. Nigerians are being denied entry to so many countries. Nigerians are being chased away from Ghana, from South Africa. What is happening to our own country? Nigerians are jackpotting. They are not minding anything. Nigerians are going to Saudi Arabia. They are going to Saudi Arabia. They are going to Morocco to do omodo. They are going there to do prostitution. Nigerians, with all that they go through, they are still going there. People are saying it is dangerous to go to most of these places. They are doing this. They will still go because they prefer to go there. Because the country they call their own, a place of theirs, they are not enjoying anything there. Houseboy and house girl's job. They will be proudly telling you that it is better I am in Libya to be house girl than to come to Nigeria and suffer. What is there in Nigeria? The educational sector, you have destroyed it totally. Teachers are not paid. Teachers are selling bowling class. Teachers will have to sell something because they have their own family too. Who gets all the negative thing? The children. And so everyone now has, decided to take their children to private school. Like I told you, private school, you have to see private school. Abẹ́lé private schools ló pọ̀ jù. Now, these children that were abducted, guys, have you seen the school? You will weep for Nigeria. In fact, you will weep for Nigeria if you see where those children were abducted. TikTok is just messing up. I can't show anything. Yesterday they restricted my account, and so I just have to be careful today in what I show. The school we saw yesterday, I think it's on this guy's page. What's that guy that interviewed Yabo Ojo? What's his name? I've forgotten. I saw it on his page. He went to the school. We still have their books that, when they came to abduct those children, their books are still, their things, their belongings are still on the table. A normal day for a normal Nigerian child. Their books are still placed on their desks. Should. Thank you, Waiko, sister. May God bless you, sis. Thank you, man. Please help me to power tap, everybody. And please share this life. Share this life, please. Their books are still on the tables. And then look at the environment of a school that has a local government, that has that has state government, that has the federal government. That's a school there in Ogbomosho. Shame on our leaders. Walai, shame on our leaders. Where is Jakonde education? Mommy wa, Omolola Hale, Ereluma, Ekalema, good evening, ma. God, what happened to our free education that Jakonde did? I did my primary school. Isaleko, you can imagine. Only Trinity Primary School. That was the school my mom too went. Only Trinity Primary School. Isaleko, Ebutero. I went to Ekwa Grammar School. The same Isaleko. Free food. We were having free lunch. Real balanced diets, because they provide, they ensure that they provide fruits after food. We had it. What happened to all that? What happened to all the free exercise books that were being distributed to students? Kilo shele. You impoverished the people so much that all you give now is bag of rice, Congo of rice, when everything happens to them. And so what they be. Now, that same school that showed, that was the school that those children were abducted and their teachers. And we are calling on you. We cannot hear our mother's voice out. We were laughing, making jest of, what's that woman's name? Patience. This blood we are sharing. Has she lied? We thought she didn't know what she was saying. Are they not really sharing the B? She said, this blood we are sharing. Are they not really sharing children's B to ensure that Nigeria lives? Patience, good luck, Jonathan. God bless you wherever you are. You are a mother. Let me give you a clap, mama. Ìyá tiwa tó wà níbí báyìí, Àṣàkẹ́ ti gbé létí lọ, bóyá sick ni o, bóyá wà láyé o, bóyá ti kú o, àti ẹ mọ̀. Àṣàkẹ́ ti gbé mom sí létí lọ, and I believe she's not mentally well or physically well. And God forgive me, because I believe something is wrong with Madam Tinubu if she's keeping quiet like this. We suffered and we're still suffering now. At least when the Chibok girls were taken, the first lady came out to cry out. Even if it is the cry, the tears of the mother that these abductors saw at that time, maybe that could change something in them. Since how many days now? Nothing has happened. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, Elu. God bless you for the stars, man. Nothing has changed. All we just listen to, we hear, is that government is doing something. Doing what? These children are still there. These people, I don't think they are human. Because how can you melt plastic and start patting it on the children, if that is true? Beating the children like as if, they are animals, and their teachers after beheading one. What you know, want someone di bembe. And the government is saying we are on it. On what? Sister Mi Aganga, how are you, sis? Kemi Aganga, how are you? On what? You're on what? Tinubu, you're on what? You better resign. And you're looking for 2027. It is a mistake, daddy. Only an unreasonable Nigerian will vote for Tinubu and his government again. Only an unreasonable Nigerians. If it is a normal Nigeria that has their heads working, brains working. I don't think anything has worked for you that will make you to say, okay, you can come back. You have done well. What we do here, they don't come to campaign abroad. Please, guys, if you are living abroad, let me know. Do you know what they do? They will just put their manifesto, they'll just throw it into your house. That's it. You read it yourself. You read it yourself. And then you decide within yourself, is this the policy that I want to vote my leaders for? We'll give you money, distributing money for what? Because I know what I want. If this is what I want from Labour Party and they have said, oh, this is what I'm going to give you, I'm going to vote for them naturally. Thank you, Vivian. God bless you, ma. I will vote for them. If I feel that, look, Labour has been, or Conservative have been doing it and they have not done what I feel is good for children and vulnerable adults, I will not vote for them again. C'est fini. Nobody comes to bribe me. But we are used to that, nature of being given money to go and vote. As if that is not good, bad enough. I am not surprised that, our government is not even listening to us. I am less surprised because I can see that Nigerians, naturally, we are used to suffering and smiling. While those children were crying out there, thank you so much, CEO of Ibra. While those children are in the bush and the teachers are crying, Ojo the Oba still went on today. What a big shame to Nigeria. Oh my show. Yes, Ojo the Oba is still ongoing. I don't think we can get out of this in Nigeria alone. We have normalized Iya. You know the way men normalizes Shino. Nigerians, we have normalized Iya. It has become Onjewa. If not, innocent children are there in that bush. I saw one woman, Momsi. That woman should be in her 60s. Mama Fasiga. Momsi, aye iti la baskeshi. Fasiga. Just for shocking. I know you guys, you are just, you are just like, it is sad. And we are blaming Remi Tinubu for not coming out. Because Remi knows that nothing lasts forever in Nigeria. We will shout and we will stop. And nothing will change. And Shoju the Oba and Joe, I can see some of you, our artists too. That is so good. You are there. Gallivanting Ojo the Oba there with them. Yes. Ojo the Oba is meant to showcase our culture. Yeah. The essence of it is for people to see us in our rich culture. But do you have to do it this year? Oh, they say she's 52, 55. Not in the real. That mom still looks like Arubu. You understand? Must you do Ojo the Oba this year? Ojo the Oba. Àwọn ọmọ wà níbi tó ti ń sun ẹkún. We saw the teacher, listen to one of the head teacher is talking today with that woman that has a child. Look at them. Look at them. This is.
Àtọmọ kékeré àtàgbàlagbà náà làwọn ẹ dákun ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ṣàánú fún wa. Òní ló ti pé ọjọ́ 13 tá a ti lọ, ẹ dákun ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n tú wa sílẹ̀. àpẹkẹ bá wọn jà rárá ẹ dákun ẹ má bá wọn jà ẹ ṣàánú wa tí wọn béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ẹjọ́ ẹ fún ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú wa ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run ni ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú fún wa ẹjọ́. We are pleading on to our governor, Engineer Seyi Makinde. Please help us negotiate with these people. Whatever they want, please give unto them. Please help us save our life. Please, we are all here.
That is the head teacher and that woman with a less than, how old is that child? Less than 2 years old child. Thank you, gifters. Arike, God bless you, man. Everybody, please help my condition. Ejo, ever me engage life. These are the people that are there. And we are calling on Tinubu. You are calling on Remi Tinubu. They will look at you and say, Sheba won Nigerians ni, won ma sunkún ma dákẹ́, ẹ fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Because they can see you partying every day. Enjoy. Mom Ken, you're welcome. Enjoy. That head teacher is calling on you, President Tinubu, Seyi Makinde, and every one of you up there. Please go and rescue those children. Go and rescue their teachers. Wọ́n ṣe ìlú ló ṣì wá. They have done nothing to deserve being there. Please, Engineer Seyi Makinde, they are calling on you that all the negotiation that has no head or tail, that we cannot even see what you are doing. Please do it as fast as possible. Those children are under the sun. They are under the rain. The wild animals are there. They don't know what will happen to them. No food to feed them. They are there. You are with your AC. Tó ń gbá sí yín lórí. Ẹlẹ́dàá àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù máa bí yín. Ẹlẹ́dàá àwọn mẹ̀kúnnù máa bí yín. Engineer Seyi Makinde, wọ́n lẹ́yìn náà tún wọṣọ ẹ lọ sójúde ọba. Was it there? Was it at ojúde ọba? Engineer Seyi Makinde, ṣé ká lọ mọ̀ tí yín, if that child were to be your, one of those children are to be yours, will you be there? Will you be at ojúde ọba? Ṣé máa rójú ráyè láti lọ showcase culture yín? Popsi, ẹ ń ṣe èrè sà, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ ń ṣunú sà. Seyi Tinubu, ká lọ mọ̀ bíbí inú ẹ̀ náà gbé. Will you people have ojú to go there? Even if your child is sick at home, you will have party. You will live, you will be looking at that cloth as if you should burn the clothes to ashes. Not to talk of children being abducted. And you saw how they beheaded one of them. Do you know what? The head teacher cried out today and said, they have taken another victim to be eliminated. Nigerian government, ẹ máa sunkún ọjọ́ alẹ́. Tí wọ́n bá tún pa ẹnì kankan níbẹ̀ yẹn. The teacher has cried out now that they have taken another person out, one of the teachers. And they have said, if your government do not answer us, we are going to cut his head just the way we did to the other one. And you know these people are not joking. Ẹ̀wọ̀n kò làwọn ilé wọn fi ṣeré. Ẹ̀yin wá ń jójú ẹlẹ́yà. Ẹ wà lójúde ọba lẹ́ni o. Seyi was there jubilating and taking pictures. Ìyà máa jẹ yín o. Ìyà máa jẹ àwọn ọmọ yín lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la o. Because the culture of Ojude Oba, the essence of it is to pay homage to the king. Number one, you have no king. Ọba yìí ti kú. Rí ẹ̀ńtẹ́ tó fẹ́ fi jọba. Gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ kó síta, ẹni ó ń jalè, ẹ lọ ń dóbò, ẹ lọ ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀sùn lẹ́fì kọ̀ wọ́n. You don't have an ọba. Who are you paying homage to? Ojude Oba. And aside from that, we have a burning issue. ọmọ ẹ Seyi Tinubu or Engineer Makinde ni wọ́n jí gbé, will you be able to sit down and go for that Ojúde Ọba? Is the Ojúde Ọba a must? Wọ́n ti wò yín bí aláìdíwòrí. Most of you Nigerians, I am not sorry to say. See, look at some of you that went from abroad, that you went there. Mo mọ̀ pé ìfẹ́ lọ jayé orí yín ni. Kò sí tó kàn yín. Àwọn ọmọ yín ò lọ síbẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin lọ jayé ni. Ẹ̀yin Nigerians tó yẹ pé olòṣínú yín ẹlòmíì já owó lọ wọ aṣọ ni. Aṣọ rẹ́gbẹ́rẹ́gbẹ́ ẹ̀yáwó rà ni. Some of you have no money to even feed yourselves. You go and because our party has always been part of our life. Wọ́n fi ṣe wá ní Nàìjíríà. Ẹ máa yáwó aṣọ ni, ẹ máa yáwó àgò ni. Torí ẹ máa gbé go wèrè sójú bí oníwẹ́dà. Mo ti gbà pé mo ń tago. You guys, you have no shame. That is why the politicians will always play with your minds. They know that whether you like it or not, once they give you something to eat, you will come out and just dance and jubilate and talk about the play Wasiu Ayinde fún yín. Orí yín ò pé mọ́, ẹ mọ̀ tẹ́ ń ṣe mọ́. Wọ́n náà ti fẹ́ pa ẹlòmíì nínú àwọn tó gbé. Àwọn agbénipa làwọn fẹ́ pa ẹlòmíì. Mama Rainbow, you went there. Mommy, wọ́n ṣe o. Ibi tá bá ti kó jẹ́ ká kọ́ ká bá ọgbọ́n tá bá àgọ́ ń bẹ̀. Ó mà ṣe la máa ń wí. Mommy, no. You are someone I hold so high because, you know, I have a personal relationship. I had a personal relationship with you. When I was in Nigeria and my marriage was about to hit the rock, you were there for me as a mother. Because I was an actress. But mommy, ẹ lọ sí Ojúde Ọba. Kí lẹ lọ ṣe? Ẹ̀yin tó yẹ kẹ́ bá wa pariwo, kẹ́ sunkún síjọba lọ́hùn. Kẹ́ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé yes, you have invited me for Ojúde Ọba, but I will not come because of these children. I will not go because of you. Write them a letter, even cry out, show them. I have Ojúde Ọba's invitation. I am not coming. Government, please do something for our children. Mommy mi, ẹkún tẹ́ sun nígbà tí ògògó tó wà ní lórí ààrẹ. Níbo ló wà? Níbo lẹkún yẹn wà? Ẹ ti gbàgbé. Ẹ fi ra yín wé àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké. Ọjọ́ alẹ́ ti dé o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, you are over 80, mommy. God has blessed your age. You are not looking your age at all. You are such a beautiful woman. But gbogbo àwọn ìwà yìí ó yẹ kẹ́ ti bá wọn jùúnù. Kò jẹ́ kó máa rí yín níbi àtẹnujẹ́. Ẹ kì í ṣe lébi. Ọlọ́run ti bless yín. Irú yín ló yẹ kẹ́ kígbe síta. Because àwọn government rí yín. They see people like you. They know that if you cannot cry out, who are we? We have very little voice out there. If you do what I am doing tonight, it will be everywhere all over the world. I have a very small platform. If you, mommy, Mama Rainbow, if you can cry out like a mother, and say, I am not doing Ojúde Ọba yẹn council ṣe lọ́dún yìí. Mo sure pé wọn ò ní ṣe Ojúde Ọba yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ fẹ́ lọ showcase aṣọ. Bóyá tún fún yín ní kọ́bọ̀kọ́bọ̀ tó ń fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Má bínú mò ń sí. I am not surprised that gbogbo àwọn daddy mi ògògó gbogbo wọn iṣẹ́ owó wọn ló ń ṣe. Wọ́n á ṣàgbẹ̀ o. Ọkùnrin làwọn. But for you, a mother, all of you celebrities that you are crying, I can see Dayo Amusa pẹ̀lẹ́ tiẹ̀ gbogbo yín ẹ kàn go ẹ lọ síbẹ̀. Àánú yín ṣe mí. Ó di gẹ́gẹ́ bá jí kan nù yín gbé kórí yín tó pé kẹ́ tó bá ìjọba sọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ tó wà very sincere with your cries. Some of you are crying out, you're saying you're tired of this government, but it's not showing in your action. bóyá tó bá jí yín gbé orí yín á pé ẹ mọ̀ pé this one no be child's play. Some of you are coming out to speak. We applaud you for that because we need your voices out there. But are you doing the action? Hey. Any religious leaders have called you out. We are yet to see anything from you. Maybe you are doing it behind. Bí o mojo tema tó ṣe òótọ́. Ẹ ṣe lókun Fúnkẹ́. How are you? Ozzy? Mi ò mojo tema tó ṣe òótọ́. Mo rí yín ń jó. Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wà nínú any of you. Mi ò rí abiyamọ tó jẹ́ abiyamọ. Whether ọkùnrin abiyamọ, obìnrin abiyamọ. That will be there at that Ojúde Ọba yesterday. If your child were to be one of those children that were picked up. Or if any of your relative is a teacher or the teacher that was beheaded. Mo sure pé ẹ ní lọ. So tó bá mú yín tí ẹ ní lọ ká láwọn ọmọ bíbí inú yín ni. Kí ló gbé yín dìde lọ sójúde ọba tẹ́ lọ jójó ẹlẹ́yà. Ijó ẹlẹ́yà ni gbogbo yín tẹ́ lọ jó. Ijó ẹlẹ́yà. Ijó ẹlẹ́yà lẹ lọ jó. Ẹ má kàn tán yín. Wọ́n ní ijó ọmọ ẹlẹ́ ń jó. Ẹ̀yin ò lọ jójó ọmọ ijó ẹlẹ́yà. Because àwọn ọmọ kan làwọn ọmọ yẹn. If our government, if we are accusing them of being irresponsible, what about you, citizens? Mothers are seen doing cigar. Life. And showcase the culture. That way every year you do it, next year you still do it. Must you go? To ẹ fẹ́ lọ showcase aṣọ tuntun, ẹ fẹ́ lọ showcase ìgò, ẹ fẹ́ lọ showcase anything that you have. Thank you so much, Vivian. Ó ga lára wa. Our hobas. Ẹ̀yin Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ṣọ́ba yìí ti padà. Ọba Gandhi. Ṣọ̀wọ́n Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, where are you? Ilé yín jóná dádì. Ọba Gandhi, ṣé ìwà l'Amẹ́ríkà ni? Kí lẹ jọba lé lórí? Until they pack all your subjects before you come back, kẹ́ wá jọba lórí koríko. I have told you yesterday, Ọba Gandhi, and for all of you, come, Popsi, until they carry all of you obas. Tó máa gbadé lórí yín, tó máa gbé yín jókòó sílẹ̀, tó máa fi yín ṣẹlẹ́yà àbáwọn ọmọ yín. Ọba Gandhi, you are lucky your children are not there. Susan, yeah, your children are not, they are not in Nigeria. But wọ́n ti fi yín jẹ olórí. Tí ẹ bá sáré gbọ́ wípé wọ́n gbé àwọn ọmọ yín ní Nàìjíríà, tẹ́ kúrò, tẹ́ ṣe bí abiyamọ, tẹ́ kúrò ní Amẹ́ríkà, kò sí tó máa ṣe yín dádì. Àfẹ́ pé ẹ ní medical issue tẹ́ ń dúró tọ́. By the time this, and I don't know, bandits, please, I am sorry, bandits, ẹ má bínú, no verse, please, we beg you. These children, the children you have there, the teacher, please don't do anything to them. We beg you, bandits, please, bandits. God, Allah will bless you. Allah will bless you. Allah will hold you. Please, those children, God will beg you. They are not animals. They are children. Bandits, please, next time, Seyi Tinubu gongon, you carry. They get plenty money. Please, bandits no carry children. Poor man children that you are carrying. Yes, these poor man children that you are carrying, they have no money. Bandits, you are asking for 100 million. These people you carry, see toilets where they go, they have nothing. Please, you want to carry big man children, not poor man children. You are suffering average Nigeria. Please, I know a lot of people have said, you know, a very dark man has spoken today. Very dark man is asking Nigerians that we should contribute money. Yes, I want to hear your opinion on that. About the, you know, he's feeling that with this. Listen.
Good morning. Today is the 27th of May.
I can't show it because of all these
About
people.
13 days ago, we have been picked.
I'll play very dark man. I'm playing
And
his
still
voice now.
now, we are still in the bush. And we are begging you, President Tinubu, Governor Seyi, and every other woman in Nigeria to please help us. I'm calling on AUT and COPS to help us, to talk to them. We don't need force. All they have to do is to negotiate with them and release us. We are in the cold. We are under the sun. We are under the rain. The children and the adults as well. Please, we are begging you. We are begging you. Don't let them waste our lives. They are getting impatient and frustrated. Please help us. We are begging you in the name of God. Please help us. Please help us. Please help us. Don't just leave us here. Don't forget us in the bush. Please answer them on time. Please. This does not call for force at all. Please just negotiate with them and dialogue with them. Our governor, Engineer Seyi Makinde.
I wish you can see the reaction of that woman carrying the baby. When she wanted to speak, she looked right. She looked at some of the bandits, and you could see they were speaking under duress. Ah! Ẹ jẹ̀yà láyé, ẹ jẹ̀yà lọ́run. They were speaking under duress. The number to call, mommy. Mumboma. They were speaking under duress. You could see fear in them. Àyà wọn já. Who is next? Àyà wọn já. This is a woman that has a child. Tó gbé ọmọ ìdání tó lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Ó wò ọ̀tún báyìí, ó wò kó tó sọ̀rọ̀. Wàá rí ẹ̀mí ẹ̀gbọ́n. She was shaking. And she said, Engineer Seyi Makinde, please help us.
Please help us negotiate with these people. Whatever they want, please.
Alright, so I will just go straight to the point. If in the next 4 days, the federal government are not able to bring these people out, we'll have no any other option than to actually do the first crowdfunding to get them out. We'll actually be the ones to negotiate with that terrorist to get those people out. Like I said, this particular matter is different. You know why? Because I know what teachers go through in Nigeria. They don't pay them well enough for what these teachers are going through in that bush. They have 46 kids in that bush with them. If you watch this video closely, you'll see flies hovering over the principal's head. That's because she has not even had a shower. Do you understand? So, and when they look this thing like this, government no really do anything about them. You understand? See the way the woman was pleading that just they don't want problem, just negotiate with them. So I don't know. We might have to look for anybody that can be a negotiator. We have to get them out, no matter how much they are calling. If the government is not going to do it in the next 3 days, are we actually, I don't know, man. We have to just do something. We'll pay. Collectively, we can pay. If everybody bring 1,000 naira, even if they are going to charge 1 billion, if everybody bring 1,000 naira and they need cash, we'll go and convert it to dollars. We'll take it to them. I don't care what they will say. Oh, you are doing terrorism. We don't care. We'll face the consequences later. But if the federal government, as you want just government, cannot get these teachers, they've already beheaded one. They beheaded one. There were 3 teachers, 2 women and 1 man. They beheaded him. So we need these 2 with the kids. 3 days. We go have to put account number online. Yeah, that's the only thing we can do. I can't see this. How much do they pay teachers? I see my mama and teacher. How much do they pay teachers? You don't ever ask public school teachers. Do you know? They can't go to a private school and do this. The government have completely neglected the public schools. You people don't understand. They've neglected them. They've neglected the pupils. They've neglected the grassroots people. They've neglected the poor. This will not happen in a private school because the private schools are heavily armed. They have proper security. But the public schools have been neglected. They don't care. Because that school, their children don't attend those schools. Their children don't attend. Even there are some of them, even their security, they won't attend those schools. So they will not understand. Start waking up in the morning now, they don't carry my mama. 3 days, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu government, if you are not able to bring them out, we will have to shut down everything we can do online until the money is complete. We have nothing to, I have literally nothing to post on social media anymore until they come out. It's simple. 3 days. 3 days. After 3 days, I don't post anymore. We focus straight on getting that money. Whoever is going to bargain with them should do it. Let the terrorists, when they use internet, people who use social media, tell us the money, publicize the money.
Good.
Publicize the money so that the world will know. Publicize the money. Who contribute that money? Who convert it in a denomination? Who put it in dollars? That's the denomination you can carry. We'll drop it anywhere you want. For you. We'll drop the money anywhere you want in Nigeria. Anywhere. Without the police knowing, because they are not even useful. Without the DSS, nobody would know. We'll drop it, you carry your money, you go. You let those poor kids go home. You let those women go home.
I think what VDM is trying to do is just to reassure the, the bandits that, we are doing something. Like I said, I'm going to give you all chance to speak on this. What's your take on this? If we keep donating to give bandits ransom as citizens, do you think it's the right move for now? Or do we still continue to call on our government to do something about it? Let me bring you up. If you want to come up now, you can request to come up. This thing has started though. I can't bring anybody up. The number to call is this, ma'am. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. I'm telling you. It's not allowing me to bring people up. And none of my is here. Abefe is not here. BC is not here. Auntie BC, you are not here. I can't bring anybody up. It's not allowing me to bring anybody up. And co-host for me. It's not allowing me. I think it's only Abefe and others that can bring people up, and it's not allowing me at all. Could you king anybody? It's okay. Network go. If I be number me to call. The number to call, please, if you can write it down. +234. The number to call +234. Ekosile +234. You can call the number. Kini yo allow me king be kini jade. +234 901. Okay, ó ti ń get king be wọ́n jade sílẹ̀. Ó ti ń get king be wọ́n jade. Hello, mommy. Ó kàn slow ni. Hello, mommy, ẹ kálẹ́ ma.
Ẹ kálẹ́ ìyá mi.
Yes, ma. So the number to call is +234 901 66 28 939 plus 234 901 66 28 939. Ẹ káalẹ́ mọ́mì. Yes ma. Yes ma. Yeah, kò jẹ́ kí n rí àwọn èèyàn gbé bọ́lẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn èèyàn wà nísàlẹ̀ kò jẹ́ kí n rí wọn gbé.
Wọ́n máa need àti request.
Wọ́n request ni, wọ́n request network yẹn ni. Ká ní any of my kíní wà around ni wọ́n lè gbé àwọn èèyàn wọlé, ó máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ńgbà mi. Mọ́mì.
The more táwọn èèyàn bá ń request ẹ máa try àti gbé wọn lé because mo ti ń request ti pẹ́.
Yes ma.
Mo ló jẹ́ kẹ́ rí mi gbé wọlé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ṣé mo lè dá sí ma?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mọ́mì. Mọ́mì mo ti sọ fún yín ẹjọ́ àbúrò yín ni mí ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run ẹjọ́ mà torí Ọlọ́run. Ẹjọ́ mà mo kàn honorably mo kàn bí.
Tá bá fẹ́ fi kọ́ àwọn tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn wa náà ní láti practice. Normally in media tí a bá wà lórí iṣẹ́ báyìí a máa ń fún ìbáàjọ́ ọmọ tá a ti bí a ní láti fún wọn ní respect and regard. Kò mean anything. Téèyàn bá respect ọmọdé yẹn náà á respect àgbàlagbà ọjọ́ orí lásán ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká respect ara wa. Mo kí yín ẹ kú iṣẹ́ ìyá mi.
Yes ma.
Ọlọ́run máa fún yín lẹ́mí ọgbọ́n ìmọ̀ àti òye. Ẹ ní ṣubú dànù.
Àmín.
Mo dẹ̀ kí gbogbo àwọn tó wà lórí ètò yìí tá a jọ wà lórí Facebook tá a tó wà ní TikTok. Ẹ rí i pé ọ̀dọ̀ yín ni mo máa wá ń takú sí bá ti ń ṣe àwọn topic kan báyìí. Ẹ wo ìbéèrè tẹ́ béèrè ẹ ní ìjọ yẹ kí a encourage láti negotiate láti dáwó fún bandit. Kò yẹ ó dẹ̀ tún yẹ. Ọ̀nà tí ò fi yẹ ni wípé bí ìgbà tí à ń encourage wọn kó túbọ̀ máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ sí. Wọ́n mọ̀ pé táwọn bá ti ṣe a tún máa wá owó yẹn lọ́nà kọ̀nà láti fáwọn. So kò ń ṣe nǹkan tó bójúmu láti ṣe. But as it is now, àwọn ọmọ yìí ti wà ń bẹ̀ àtàwọn olùkọ́ yìí láti 13 days. Gbogbo wa la dẹ̀ mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí abiyamọ wípé wọ́n ní òbí kan ló ń bí ọmọ ìgbà gbogbo ará àdúgbò ló ń tọ́. So ọwọ́ yẹn ni VDM gbé wá wípé tí ìjọba bá láwọn ò ní ṣe tí wọ́n dẹ̀ tún ti ń lérí wípé àwọn tún máa pa ẹlòmíì. Ṣé ká wá kọwọ́ lẹ́rán ká máa wòran di ọjọ́ tán máa pa gbogbo wọn tán ni? A lè wòran. Ṣebí tí a bá ṣe eléyìí a fẹ́ fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ nítorí láàárín àwọn èèyàn mi lè èèyàn ìkádẹ́gbé wà nítorí wọ́n sọ wípé àwọn Yorùbá náà wà lára wọn. So a lè fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀ fún pílánì wa fún ọjọ́ iwájú. But nǹkan tèmi ń sọ bíbá ni pé a ṣe eléyìí èmi fi wípé tí ìjọba torí mi ò rí ìjọba gẹ́gẹ́ bíi pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe anything. Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ wọ́n kọ́kọ́ parọ́ fún wa pé wọ́n ti jáde nígbà kan tí wọ́n gbé jáde propaganda yẹn tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí gbé jáde pé wọ́n ti gbà wọ́n jáde pé wọ́n ti release wọn. At the end of the day wọ́n release wọn. Kò dẹ̀ dàbí pé ìjọba fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan kan nípẹ̀. Let's call a spade a spade. Mr. President wọ́n sọ kankan nípẹ̀. Di abiyamọ tá a rò pé abiyamọ ni mọ́mì rẹ̀ ní Tinubu tí wọ́n finú wọn tó fi gbé oyún oṣù 9 tí wọ́n bí kìíní tó bí kejì tó mọ bí ara ṣe ń ro abiyamọ láti kúnlẹ̀ láti bímọ. Wọ́n jáde síta láti sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹyọ kan báyìí láti fi tu àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà nínú wípé nǹkan táwọn máa ṣe nìyẹn, má wọrí àwọn ṣiṣẹ́ lórí ẹ̀ o gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ. Àgbọ̀n kankan lẹ́nu wọn dákẹ́ wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ṣe ó dàbí pé nǹkan kò ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn. Ó ń lọ ojúde ọba yìí náà mà gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ. Ṣé ojúde ọba sá lọ ni? Ṣé wọ́n tún ní ṣe ní ọdún míì ni? You've said it all and I don't want to repeat what you've said because you're very very intelligent and I respect you for that. Ẹ ti sọ gbogbo ẹ̀. Ìgbà tí ò ṣe pé ojúde ọba ń sá lọ ẹlòmíì ò ní rònú ẹlòmíì ò lórí tó ń rò ẹlòmíì àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ ní ọpọlọ ẹ̀ wà kò jẹ́ kó lè ronú. Tí wọ́n bá tiẹ̀ pè èèyàn tó bá pè wá lábì fúnra rà ó yẹ ká pa fún wa mọ́. Arákùnrin kọ̀ọ̀kan lórí Facebook kì í ṣe Yorùbá, ó lóun ò ní ojú àánú láàánú Yorùbá kì í ṣe òun rárá. Nítorí bí pátí lọ̀rọ̀ wa, bí pé kò ní sí ọ̀la mọ́ la ṣe máa ń ṣe pátí, la máa múra kankan sí. Ṣé ẹ rí tí VDM ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló ń ràn ní veins ẹ̀ bó ṣe ràn ní veins tiyín Sister Àjọkẹ́ tó ń ràn ní veins a lot of good and great mothers out there. Tẹ́ bá ṣí orí Facebook, tẹ́ lọ sórí social media, ẹ rí àwọn abiyamọ tòótọ́ tó jẹ́ pẹ̀lú míì kò lè jẹ kò lè mu all the time ni wọ́n ń gbé nǹkan jáde lórí Facebook lórí platform wọn either TikTok or whatever ni wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ọmọ wọn. Yèmí náà ṣe program lórí ẹ̀, but having said that it's not even enough. A ní láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pariwo ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká fi ti àwọn aláfẹ́ ayé ká fi òjò wọ ká fi gbé ka o. Ṣé ara àwọn yẹn ojú ayé ni wọ́n ṣe? I'm so sorry to say this and I'm not sorry to even say it. Àwọn the so-called actors tẹ́lẹ̀ wọn tán jáde tí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ tán tún pàṣọ wọ̀ tán lọ sókè ọba. Èmi ò kà wọ́n yẹn kún abiyamọ torí wọn kì í ṣe abiyamọ, abiyagba ni wọ́n. Because ẹni tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ mo mọ how many nights mi ò kí ń lè sùn bíbá mi tẹ̀ kí n fẹ́ kàn sọ mọ́ nígbà tá a ti rí solution sí. Tí bá ti lọ sí orí social media tí mo rí màá sáré scroll because ìyẹn ló tún máa wà ní brain mi. Maybe èmi tó jẹ́ pé mi kì í sùn dáadáa tẹ́lẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn wá ó tún wá dákún wàhálà ilé ayé mi. So ẹ wo èmi support wípé tí ìjọba ò bàbá wa dá sí ó wà apparent wípé wọn kíà nípa wa wọn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ má máa kíà nípa wa àwa la rò pa níjọba we don't have any we do not have any and a kàn ń tọ́ra wa jẹ ni because àwọn èèyàn wá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí wọn náà bó ṣe ń jó kiri lórí pé wọ́n dìbò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí gbogbo ẹ̀ bó ṣe gbàjọ́ tí wọ́n gbàlù tínú wọn dùn tán gbàpò rẹ̀ sì sórí tán gbàpò gàrí tán gbèrú tí wọ́n sọ di ọmọ àwọn oníjẹkújẹ àwọn tó jẹ́ pé ebi ló máa pa wọ́n kú àwọn tó jẹ́ wípé oúnjẹ yẹn ló máa jẹ tán máa gbà lọ sọ́run lójijì tó jẹ́ wípé àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ wà nínú ìyà nínú òjò nínú oòrùn nínú igbó tí ejò wà toríṣiríṣi wà kò síwẹ̀ kò sí oúnjẹ a dẹ̀ rí bóyá àwọn náà máa treat bóyá àwọn míì ní ṣe bí èèyàn náà làwọn tí wọ́n máa treat because I have some people saying that àwọn ọmọ tá a rí tí wọ́n fi rọ́bà jó lára kò ṣe àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀kú àwọn ọmọ ti tẹ́lẹ̀ ní ṣé ó ní ọmọ kan tó yẹ kó fi irú ìyà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn máa jẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí abiyamọ ẹ̀yin abiyamọ tẹ́ ẹ wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn tẹ́ ẹ wà tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ètò yìí ó jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ lẹ fi inú yín gbé oyún tẹ́ ẹ bí ọmọ mi ò rí abiyamọ tí orí ẹ̀ bá pé tó wà ní right sense of our mind this or our mind àtọkùnrin àtobìnrin tó yẹ kó máa gbàdùn kó máa jó lásìkò yìí àsìkò pàmòọ̀nù la wà yìí àsìkò pé ilẹ̀ wa ń ṣọ̀fọ̀ àsìkò pé ilẹ̀ wa ń bleed profusely la wà yìí tó dẹ̀ yẹ kó tó kan onílé tó kan àlejò it doesn't matter wípé a wà ní diaspora kò síbi tá a wà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò ti kàn wá tó yẹ ká mú question tẹ béèrè kí n má bá ẹ digress ó ní wípé ìjọ yẹ kó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ nítorí pé àwọn èèyàn wò pé táwọn bá kú ti gbé wọn a tún máa come together yes kò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ kò tó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ nítorí pé wọ́n ní tígi bá gbogbo lugi lórí ara wọn wọ́n ní tí òkè ẹ̀ lákọ́kọ́ máa gé ká tó dé sàlẹ̀ ká tó máa ronú ìmíì láti ẹ̀ kọ́kọ́ ṣe eléyìí tó wá jẹ́ pé ibi tí òun wá ti ṣọ̀kan tí a kì í ṣe àgbẹ̀ ìbẹ́bọjẹ́ tá a kì í ṣe lébi tá a kì í ṣe ìka ènìyàn tó bá jẹ́ wípé à ń hùwà bí ènìyàn tí a kì í ṣe bí ẹranko gan bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wa if not ṣé bí a lè pe àpèjọ ìrònúpìwàdà kí gbogbo wa jọ jókòó wípé ọ̀nà báyìí la máa gbé gbà.
All about you, please can you mute anybody if I bring you please can you mute all about you mute please ẹ má bínú mọ́ mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ má bínú mọ́.
no sister mi ibi tabatu ti náà ń ṣe ìpàdé wípé báyìí ni ká ṣe báyìí ni ká ṣe àwọn náà náà tún máa gbé lọ otherwise there are ways to it tó jẹ́ pé òkè ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe ilé ìkó kúrò ń bẹ̀ tá a bá ṣe àmọ́ ọ̀nà míì a tún ṣe ìpàdé wípé ká gbé bàbá ẹ̀ a lè ṣèpàdé lórí social media a lè sọ nǹkan plan wa lórí social media nítorí wọ́n máa gbé lọ afẹ́fẹ́ máa gbé lọ. For this reason mo fi àsìkò yìí bẹ̀yìn tó bá jẹ́ wípé nǹkan tí VDM fẹ́ ṣe tó bá jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó lè possible ni tó lè wà successful ni please let's go ahead. Because gbogbo wa bá ṣe sọ wípé àwọn èèyàn ò dáa síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ náà la ṣì rí àwọn èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan tó dáa láàrin wa tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ olóòótọ́ èèyàn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ èmi ni mò ń sọ mi sọ tẹlòmíì tí fídíò bá sọ wípé òun lè ṣe èmi I will contribute. Tó bá ti yá tó bá ti gbé àkáǹtì síta èmi á dá owó síbẹ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí abiyamọ màá dá owó síbẹ̀. Gbogbo tí bá lágbára láti fi síbẹ̀ máa fi síbẹ̀ káwọn ẹni ìkan lè jáde tí Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí mi ò ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n táwọn eléyìí bá jáde àti tún máa wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ wípé irú ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa but a lè sọ pé torí pé kán má bàa lọ máa rò wípé àti ṣe ilé káwa fi wọ́n lẹ̀ síbẹ̀ nígbà tí ìjọba ò ní nǹkan kan ṣe. Kí lorúkọ àǹtí yìí mo gbàgbé ó ní láti máa béèrè lọ́wọ́ mọ́mì Tinubu wípé báwo lè ṣe ń sùn and it's true. Adémi
gan ti bí wọ́n lánàá mọ́mì mo ti bí wọ́n because so that èmi believe pé bóyá wọ́n sick wọn sí nílé ayé.
Valid question ni láti béèrè pé báwo ló ṣe ń ro oorun sùn. Mo fi Ọlọ́run tó dá mi ṣe ìbúra wípé tí mo bá ti sùn mi ò ń ṣẹni tó ń sùn tí bá ti sùn tí mo tóorun yẹn gbé mi lọ tí bá jí bóyá mo lọ toilet ni I'm telling you ibi bẹ̀yẹn orí fóònù mi lọkàn mi ń lọ mo ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ọmọ yẹn ni mo tún fẹ́ wò pé kí n gbọ́ news tí bá dẹ̀ ti tàn báyìí kò tún sí oorun mọ́. Báwo ni ìyàwó president ṣe ń sùn wọ́n dẹ̀ joyè káàkiri.
And she has not come out to speak. Mọ́mì ṣe gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni they said Redeemed Christian Church organized a protest.
Nítorí mọ́mì rẹ̀ mi Tinubu tún lọ pè wọ́n nítorí wọ́n jẹ́ pásítọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ní kán cancel ẹ̀ ó ní kán stop ẹ̀ abiyamọ dẹ̀ nìyí. Ẹ wo nígbà míì mo máa ń sọ it's not about education. Àìmọye èèyàn tó lọ sí gbogbo tó gba PhD tí university ò pass through life wọn. Ẹ wo ìyàwó
Goodluck Jonathan.
Ẹ wò bí woman yẹn bó ṣe ń sunkún abiyamọ nìyẹn ẹkún abiyamọ ó dẹ̀ máa ń dọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. You see she shed that tears genuinely. Á sọ pé gbogbo òyìnbó kí la fẹ́ fòyìnbó ṣe wọ́n ṣe tún express herself. Now àwọn tó ń ka gbogbo òwe tí wọ́n ní gbogbo ọgbọ́n àwọn dàbá yìí àgbọ̀n kọ̀ọ̀kan láti ẹnu wọn empathize wọn sympathize pẹ̀lú nation wọ́n kàn wá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣá okay. Bóyá ẹ tún gbọ́ tí I don't know the name of this ṣe personal PA bàbá ni or whatever bí adviser àwọn tó bọ́ síta. Ọ̀nànúgà
kí ló sọ.
Mo sọ pé pẹ́pẹ́sẹ́ nǹkan tó sọ nípa president wọ́n parọ́ mọ́.
Báyọ̀ Ọ̀nànúgà.
Ilé ṣe so ìyẹn ká wọn lára ju àwọn ọmọ tó wà ní díìnì lion tí ó ká wọn lára wọn ní kọ̀ọ̀kan ṣe sáwọn yẹn ìyẹn ló ká wọn lára Ọlọ́run á dá o Ọlọ́run á rẹ́jọ́ dá ó dẹ̀ sọ náà nínú chat mi pé bàbá Tinubu àti Rẹ̀mí Tinubu ẹ̀yin náà bímọ tí yẹn dẹ̀ ní grandchildren tẹ́ ẹ bá tiẹ̀ care tẹ́ ẹ wà selfish tẹ́ ẹ wà self-centered about yourself and you don't care about your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren coming. Àwọn yẹn ló máa jẹ ìyà nǹkan tá ẹ̀ ń ṣe sílẹ̀ yìí. Ibi tá a bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn ni ẹ wò wípé Ọlọ́run ní Ọlọ́run owú lòun tó máa ń bẹ̀ ṣe bàbá wò lára wọn láti ìran. Ẹ dẹ̀ jókòó ẹ mọ̀ pé ó lè ṣe lórí yín ẹ mọ̀ pé Ọlọ́run ó ní gbogbo nǹkan lòun fojú fò ṣùgbọ́n ìlérí òun máa ń múṣẹ ṣáá ni ó dẹ̀ lóun máa fi rárá àǹfààní láti béèrè ẹ dẹ̀ jókòó síbẹ̀ ẹ fetí.
tó bá sọ̀rọ̀ tán mà ẹ sọ̀rọ̀.
ẹ jẹ́ kí n kúrò fún.
náà ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ tán tẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀ tán mọ́ mi.
yes ẹ ṣe ẹ má bínú sí mi bó ṣe ká mi lára ni mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ kó ká everybody náà lára ń bí báyìí ni wọ́n ṣe wà ń bí báyìí Ọlọ́run á tù wá nínú Ọlọ́run á rọ̀jò ìtura sí orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà gbogbo àwọn jẹgúdújẹrá tá bá ń sọ wọn ní èèyàn sọ̀sọ̀kúsọ ó dìgbà tí gbogbo wọn tí wọ́n bá wáìpù àwọn olórí wọn yẹn wọ́n wáìpù wọn off the land ó dìgbà yẹn kálàáfíà tó bá wa ṣé bóun nìyẹn Ṣèyí Tinubu ó wà ní ojúde ọba ibi tóun náà ti wàṣọ tóun náà ń jó tó ń ya fọ́tò tó tẹ̀ fọwọ́ kọ lọ́rùn tó ń ṣe bíi tòótọ́ àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọdé wà nínú kìíní Ọlọ́run á dá o bí èèyàn ò bá dá báwo èèyàn bá lè dá Ọlọ́run á dá ẹ wá wò ó sí ìlú all over the world ni wọn ti fẹ́ rí Nigerians mọ́ wọn fẹ́ rí wa wọn fẹ́ ní kọ́kọ́ bá wa ṣe ok ẹ̀dẹ̀ sọ pé ká máa bọ̀ lé ká máa bọ̀ lé ká máa bọ̀ lé bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ̀ ní ká máa bọ̀ lé wọ́n lé wa díẹ̀ ẹ lọ kọ́ sílẹ̀ ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè ṣàánú nàìjíríà ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ṣàánú wa á wo ti àwa kọ̀ọ̀kan ẹ̀yin kọ̀ọ̀kan báwọn yìí tẹ́ ní inú kan á ṣàánú orílẹ̀-èdè yẹn nítorí pé even ní UK bí kí lórúkọ àwọn pátì yẹn tó sọ pé kán mú àwọn nàìjíríà kan sọ wọ́n di toilet tissue.
Imagine.
Kán sọ wọ́n di toilet tissue oníwọ̀n good for anything. Ẹ wá wo ìyàtọ̀ fi jẹ wá káàkiri gbogbo ìlú ẹ wo just South Africa bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn tó ṣe nàìjíríà ló lọ báwọn túlù wọn ṣe ẹ wò wọ́n ṣe ń treat Nigerians ń bẹ̀ ẹ wo Amẹ́ríkà tí wọ́n sọ pé kí gbogbo nationals padà lọ sílùú wọn kí wọ́n lọ apply fún green card ó ń bọ̀ díẹ̀ ni o àwọn láńdẹ̀dẹ̀ tá a bá dẹ̀ tú ìlú wa ṣe tá à ń rò wípé àwa tá a wà ní diaspora àti níbi forípamọ́ sí àwa gbàgbé ilé aṣọ àpòyàkọ́ àbáwọn dá sí à ń wò nítorí pé ara ti tu àwa tó wà níbà à ń tọ́ra wa jẹ ní o nítorí pé gbogbo ara lẹ́bí síbẹ̀ bá àgbà dé tá à bá lẹ́bí síbẹ̀ tí wọ́n bá lé wa níbi tá a wà ibì kan la máa padà sí ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sùn ká tú orí wa rò ṣùgbọ́n fún ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ ńlẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ́sẹ̀ tí VDM bá lè ṣe èmi o gbogbo ohun tí mo bá ní as a pensioner gbogbo ohun tí mo bá ní torí mo ti wà retired ní agbára Ọlọ́run màá support each time tí n bá ti ń gbowó mi báyìí máa anything tó bá kọ́ mi ọ̀gbìn òun máa fi síbẹ̀ but èmi fọwọ́ sí o tó bá jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó máa release àwọn people yìí ni let us do it.
Thank you so much, ma. God bless you, mommy. Ẹ ṣé ma.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin oníjẹkújẹ onímukúmu ẹ̀yin aláfíà ayé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti rò pé tẹ́ jáyé ọmọ yín máyé tẹ́ rò wípé kòkò tí nǹkan mí lẹ́yìn ẹ̀yìn ojúde ọba ni àbí whatever tó wù kẹ́ máa ṣe ẹ̀yin nu Ọlọ́run nìyẹn Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ kò ní dé bọ́ ọmọ yín kò ní bá ràn yín nígbà ilé tó máa